Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be repotting this monstera deliciosa. Why I'm repotting it? Because it is yellowing and I suspect root rot, because the other day when I was trying to water it, this entire root system here was rotted. So we're going to check. It is a very warm sunny day outside. Well, not sunny, cloudy, but it's very windy, so I'll be able to do it outside, but I don't know about audio issues. If there's audio issues because of the wind is too strong, then I'll just do a voiceover. But we're gonna find out what's going on with this monstera deliciosa and probably have to repot the pothos it has on top of it and separate them. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I brought the plant outside, and again, sorry for any audio issues. It is very windy, but as you can see, this one is yellowing so much, and as I mentioned earlier, one of the aerial roots had root rot. So we're gonna see what's going on with this one and repot all the pothos it has on top. Like, I saw somebody say, I forgot where, that monstera shouldn't be potted up with pothos or any plants like that, and I never really found out why, or they never really explained why. But I don't know if there's effect of having the pothos planted with it, or it just got overwatered or whatever. So let's just find out what's going on. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm gonna take out the pothos plants first. As you can see, this one, no roots, so likely root rot, but we are gonna find out. The wind. Oh, that's how bad the wind is. All right, actually, hold on, my thing got dragged into the woods, so let me go pick it up. Okay. There it is. Let me get it without falling. There you go. All right, let's do this again. I don't know if they're root rot or I'm just ripping them out from the roots. But look at that one. There's some Manjula pothos. And okay, so those are all the pothos plants. I'm gonna separate them because I want to see if I could reuse the soil. There are bugs all over it. Oh, okay. Maybe I can take out this now and find out what's going on with this. Alright, let me take out this one. Okay. And let's see what's going on. Hey. Okay, here it is. There is some root rot, but not a lot. As you can see, there's like more soil than roots, so I think it was just like potted up in a pot that is too big for it, and the roots did not grow as fast as I anticipated when I repotted it into that large pot, and so it's kind of like getting overwatered me, which led probably to the yellowing. But there's some rotting over here. We're like cut that out. And, but so far not bad. I thought I lost the entire root system, but not bad at all. Okay, so This is the root system. It probably needs to be washed a bit so I could check it fully, but so far not a lot of fruit rot. Whatever was rotting already kind of like broke off when I was trying to unpot it. And I think the soil is pretty good, but then the bugs are flying in it, so I don't know. We will see. I don't think I have enough fresh soil, so I might have to get some just to be safe. But okay, we're gonna wash this out, see what's going on, and then hopefully I can repot it without any problems. But this one is definitely gotta go. The water is cold, so hopefully it doesn't get too much of a shock. But so here it is. I took out the leaf that was yellowing, cut it right there, letting it callus now. And with the root system, I'm also like kind of letting it dry out, also callus. I cut off the parts that were rotting, and I just want to let it dry out and callus to see where I need to cut some more. So I'm probably gonna give it a few hours. It's already, what time is that? It's already about like 2 o'clock, so I don't want to repot this tonight. So if it comes to the point that it's already calloused enough and it's already like nighttime, I will just put it in water and deal with the repotting tomorrow. And here are the pothos plants that I saved. I will be propagating them in water for now and then decide what to do with them later on. Working fast. It's raining, but the roots have kind of like calloused. Got this pot to fill it up, perlite, some potting mix, and we're gonna go put it up now. I wish I had a little bit more lacquer, but I don't, so I'm just like dousing it with lots of perlite. And here she is back inside, and over there I have to like tie it up on the moss bowl just to make it a little bit more stable, but she looks pretty good. The only thing is the plastic pot that she's in is not deep enough. As you can see some roots exposed, but it's an epiphyte, so I think she'll be okay. And but the one thing I also don't like about the pot is I feel like it doesn't drain quick enough, even though I put like a quick draining mix. So that is one of my concerns about this one, but I'll see what happens. And if the rotting doesn't continue, and if it does, okay, and I'm just gonna keep it because I don't want to keep repotting it. And that's me repotting my monstera deliciosa on one warm but windy day, late winter in 2022. And I'm definitely gonna keep you posted on the progress of this plant And thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please do subscribe. I come up with videos every week. And if you haven't yet, go check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other. And have a plentiful day. Bye.